A mocha cupcake with coffee icing? Yes, indeed. I think we have created the ultimate cupcake right here. Hello, my friends. Your favorite baking spaniel, that's me of course, is back to share another delightful recipe. This one is quite irresistible. We will be making absolutely decadent mocha cupcakes with creamy coffee frosting. Good gracious, we better get started. In a large mixing bowl, we will combine our dry ingredients. Measure out 1 1/4 cup of sifted flour. I have chosen to use cake flour here, but you may use all-purpose flour if you prefer. Add in 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Next, add in 1/2 cup of cocoa powder. Then whisk it all together. Wow, I can already smell that chocolate. Now we will set this aside to work on our wet ingredients. In a separate bowl, combine 1 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 1/2 cup of buttermilk. Now, I know buttermilk is not always a common ingredient to have at home. If you have tried out my recent recipe on making homemade butter, this is a perfect opportunity to use that leftover buttermilk. However, there is another easy substitute that you can use in place of real buttermilk. Measure out 1/2 cup of milk and add in 1 1/2 teaspoons of vinegar or lemon juice. Mix well and then allow this to sit for about 5 to 10 minutes to allow the mixture to thicken. And there you have it, quick and easy buttermilk substitute. Now, once you have combined all of your wet ingredients, mix them together until they are well combined. Mix it all together. Mix, 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 mix. You have to have strong arms for baking sometimes. Next, we will add our wet ingredients to our dry ingredients. Whee! Stir these together until they're thoroughly mixed. And the last step is to add some coffee flavor. This will serve largely to enhance that delicious chocolatey flavor. Dissolve 1 tablespoon of instant espresso powder into 1/2 cup of warm water. Add this to the batter and mix until just combined. That smell of chocolate and coffee together. Incredible. Our delicious batter is ready for the oven. Place liners into your cupcake tins. And then we're going to pour the batter into each liner, just slightly more than halfway full. Be careful, it comes out fast. I said halfway, halfway. Oh, I'm getting it everywhere. Bake your cupcakes at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 18 to 22 minutes. Or until a toothpick inserted into the middle of the cupcake comes out with just a few moist crumbs attached. While our cupcakes are cooling, we will work on making a delicious coffee-flavored buttercream icing. You will want to use either an electric hand mixer or a stand mixer fitted with a whisk attachment for this part. Measure out 1/2 cup of softened butter and 1/2 cup of shortening. Mix together at a medium to high speed for about 1 minute or until very smooth. Next, you will need 4 cups of sifted powdered sugar. Add the sugar into your mixing bowl 1 cup at a time. That might be a little more than a cup, but we'll be okay. We're going to mix well in between each addition. Oh, I got it everywhere. Once all your sugar is mixed in, add in 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla and 2 tablespoons of instant espresso powder. Look at all that coffee. You will also probably notice that your icing is quite thick now, so we are going to thin it out by adding 2 tablespoons of heavy cream. And we're going to mix this all together on a medium-high speed for about 1 to 2 minutes. If your mixture still seems a little thick, you may add 1 additional tablespoon of cream and mix until the desired consistency is reached. Now it's time to decorate our cupcakes. Fit a piping bag with a tip of your choice. I am using a 1M open star tip for the traditional cupcake swirl look. You're going to want to fill your piping bag about halfway full, and then we're going to pipe the frosting onto each cupcake. Oh, don't they look pretty? I just love that traditional swirl cupcake look. Our cupcakes are all finished. The bold coffee frosting pairs beautifully with the delicious and moist chocolate cake. Bring these to any party, and you will undoubtedly be the star of the show. You'll also probably all be bouncing off the walls. Whee! I hope you will give this recipe a try yourself and let me know what your thoughts are. I have many more fun recipes to share, so don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss any. And did you know that my supporters on Patreon get early access to my videos? Not to mention plenty of behind-the-scene content. Ingredient costs can definitely add up. So it's thanks to the amazing support of my patrons that I can continue bringing everyone delicious content each week. If you would like to contribute yourself, consider becoming a Patreon supporter. You can find the link in the description below. Much love to all of you. Until next time. Mwah!